Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tackle a question that many Instagram users have asked. How do you delete someone else's messages on Instagram? Well, stick around because I have got you covered. First thing first, open your Instagram app and head to your direct messages. Find the conversation where the message you want to delete is located. Now here's the catch. As of now, Instagram doesn't offer a feature that allows you to directly delete someone else's message from your chat. However, there is a workaround. The workaround involves a feature called unsend, which allows you to delete message that you have sent, but there is a trick you can use to apply it to messages from others. Here's what you do. Long press on the message you want to delete. You will see a few options pop up, including copy and unsend. Tap on unsend. And just like that, the message will disappear from the chat for both you and the other person. It's important to note that this only works for messages that were sent within the last 24 hours. After that, the message becomes permanent and can't be unsent. If you are receiving unwanted messages from someone, you can also block them. Just head to their profile, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select block. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.